few years ago, I was part of a group of parents that agreed to keep stats for our kids' travel team. We tracked games the old-fashioned way, using clipboards, logging that data into Excel, and manually creating shot charts. While we provided the coaches with some interesting and useful information, it took hours to process a weekend of games into usable information. We looked at existing products, hoping to improve efficiency, but couldn't find one that seemed to meet each of our three basic requirements, those being easy to use, detailed reporting, and still being affordable for a youth travel team. Talking to other teams, we knew they faced similar challenges, so we decided to try to fill that gap in the market and build a system that offered better balance between those requirements. The first step was to replace clipboards with a tablet-based app to collect data more efficiently. Just a basic understanding of hockey is needed to use the event tagger, which allows different game events and levels of detail to be tracked using simple finger taps. Also, just a quick mention that there are two additional taggers included in the app. One that tracks time on ice by player, and one that creates timestamps to mark plays that wouldn't be captured on the event tagger and help with video. Both are totally optional to use, but can supplement the core information captured using the event tagger. Getting back to efficiency. Using the app instead of a clipboard allows data to be uploaded in a usable format and immediately processed into reports. Some of the reports available include a basic game summary and a more detailed game report, team and player shot charts with a variety of filters, and a detailed face-off report by both team and player. These reports are available in-game if a team would like to upload data at the end of each period, or they can wait and do a single upload at the end of each game. Another element we really wanted to include in the system was a more efficient way of using video. Stats and analytics can help highlight the strengths and weaknesses of a team or player, but generally aren't very helpful as a teaching tool. By integrating the game data with video, coaches and players are able to filter on the video and isolate clips by player, event type, game situation, etc. We also added a coach's review, which lets a coach star an event and add a comment. Players can then log into the system from home and filter specifically on events tagged as coach's review to quickly run through the teachable moments from that game. Any video that can be uploaded to YouTube can be used with our system, and up to 3 angles can be synced. So I'll typically mount cameras at either end as fixed goal cams and then have a center ice view that pans following the action. Ultimately, our goal is to offer a flexible system that can help a team with only a few basic needs, or the team that would like access to the same type of information and coaching tools that a professional or D1 college team is using. Typically, teams can access the system through a season subscription or a smaller game package. But due to the uncertainty teams are facing during the COVID-19 pandemic, we've decided to provide full access to the system at no charge for the 2020-21 season. So if your team still tracks games on a clipboard, if you're currently using a system that's a strain on your budget, or you're considering a video and analytics system for your team, please visit our website for more information or contact us to discuss your team's needs.